Continuing our series in public health engineering, in this program we shall see as how do we measure turbidity of water. Water sometimes has suspended impurities present in it. These are generally due to fine inorganic matter or microorganisms. When light passes through such type of water, some of it get deflected by the suspended particles present. This property of scattering of light due to suspended impurities is called turbidity. Most of the raw waters has some turbidity present in it. There are various instruments which are used to measure turbidity, and these are called turbidity meter. Generally, the earlier type of instrument which were used for measuring turbidity were Baylis turbidity meter and Jackson turbidity meter. Nowadays, an electronic instrument called nephelometer is deployed to measure turbidity values. A nephelometer is an electronic device. It has a light source, a sample holder and a light detector. When the light falls on the sample, part of it after striking the suspended particles gets dispersed. The magnitude of this dispersed light is measured by the detector. A nephelometer generally has three controls: a range switch to select appropriate range depending upon the expected value of turbidity, set 0 and calibrate knobs for calibration of the instrument. In addition, we would require hexamine and hydrazine sulfate as the reagents, an electronic balance of accuracy 0.001 grams and some glass spheres for preparation of the reagents. First, we prepare the reagents. Take 1 gram of hydrazine sulfate, dissolve it in water. Now we use deionized water for this purpose. Make the total volume (100 ml). This is called solution 1. Now we will prepare solution 2. By taking 10 gram hexamine dissolve in deionized water and make the sample volume to be 100 ml. Now pipette 5 ml of each of the solution in another flask. Now take solution 2, mix them and allow it to stand for 24 hours. Now make the total volume of this mix 100 ml by adding deionized water. So this is a stock turbidity solution of concentration 400 NTUs. NTU implies nephelometric turbidity units. From this we can prepare a working solution of our requirement. Now for example, in this case we are dealing with treated water, so the expected value of turbidity will be in low range. So we can prepare a working solution of 20 NTUs by diluting it 20 times. To do this, we take 1 ml and make the volume 20 ml. So now we have working solution of concentration 20 NTUs. Now switch on the instrument. Put deionized water in the sample tube and place in the sample holder, taking care that the white mark on the tube coincides with the white mark on the instrument. Close the lid and using set 0 knob, read the display to 0. Now replace this with the working turbidity solution . And using calibrate knob, adjust the reading to 20 NTUs. Now check that you have selected the appropriate range. Now the instrument is ready for use. If you so desire, you can do another calibration for better precision. Now simply take the sample, remember that the tube is wiped off of any watermarks. And measure the turbidity value. The turbidity of the sample is 0.67 NTUs. Note down the value in the proforma.